Chef present.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Hope you guys do well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making mouth-watering pasta cheese melt. Let's get started. Medium heat, touch of olive oil. In goes the shallots. Cook until golden brown. Mozzarella and basil, garlic clove, red chilli. Turn this into a fine paste. In it goes. Mix and slightly brown. Roasted red pepper. Chop it finely. Mix and let it cook for another minute. In goes the passata. For some sweetness, I'm using ketchup, some lemon juice, half a cup of water. Mix and let it simmer for 10 minutes. While it's simmering, you can add in the salt, black pepper, oregano, thyme, parsley. Add it in. Give this a good mix, and once it's done with simmering, just turn off the heat. Your sauce is ready. For the cheese sauce, in goes the butter. Add in the flour and cook the rawness of it. Now first you're going to add half cup of milk to bring everything together. And then rest of the milk. Continue with mixing to make sure there are no lumps. Bring this to boil on medium-low heat. Now mix in the cheddar. Some at a time. Now turn off the heat and add rest of your cheese inside. There you go, and keep mixing it. Now you can season it with some black pepper, pinch of salt. Give this a mix. The cheese sauce looks amazing. Let me just quickly show you how thick it is. There you go. Look at it. Beautiful. Let me have a taste. Wow. Perfect. Salt, touch of olive oil. Boil the pasta in boiling water for 9.5 minutes. A mix of mozzarella, Edam and colored cheddar. A baking tray. Add a layer of pasta. That rich sauce. Another layer of pasta. More sauce on the top. Now add in the cheddar cheese sauce. Looks amazing. 3 types of grated cheese. A bit more sauce and a bit more cheese.
Legend.
Ready to bake. In a preheated oven at 210 Celsius for 10 minutes. Cheese. I'm serving it with some garlic bread. So here you have my mouth-watering pasta cheese melt made with 2 different sauces. Hope you guys gonna enjoy this recipe. Please do share with your friends and your family. Thank you very much. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Hamdu looks delicious. Easy and quick. Make sure you definitely try it. So delicious, wow. Make it for your mom, make it for your dad, make it for your family. Enjoy it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Take care, enjoy my video.